there, my name is Gillian and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm an entrepreneur and an educator, and something I'm very passionate about is passive income. I think it's so important that we work smarter instead of just harder, that we figure out how we can earn more while working less. And these different strategies that I'm going to share with you in today's video allow you to do exactly that. Now, if you happen to be new to passive income and maybe you're not sure how it works, then just click right up there in the corner to watch Passive Income 101, in which I break that all down. With that being said, let's jump on into these 9 different ways that you can earn $1,000 or more with passive income every single month. The first idea that I'm going to share with you today is something that you might already be really familiar with, and that is to start a YouTube channel. So obviously, I have this channel here on YouTube, and we put out videos every single week, and across the channel, we get about 500,000 views per month, so about 500,000 views per month. And that brings in about $4,000 just in ad revenue. Basically, once you create your channel, you can allow YouTube to run ads on your videos. Those are the ads that you see before the video starts that make you wait for 5 seconds, or the ads that show up over there in the side column, or sometimes down below the video. And if someone clicks on those ads, then the YouTube creator gets half of the money that the business paid to run the ads. Now, like I said, my channel gets 500,000 views a month and we bring in about $4,000 because of that. However, different channels in different niches here on YouTube make different amounts of money per 1,000 views that the channel gets. My channel is making about $8 or so per 1,000 views, but it's more typical to make an average of about $5 per 1,000 views. And if you make that average amount, then you need 200,000 views per month in order to make $1,000 per month from this passive income. And one thing that you might be thinking right now is, well, it's not really passive because you have to keep making videos every single week in order to keep making that money. But the thing is that most of that revenue, most of the views we get on the channel actually come from all of the old videos. We've created this entire library of videos and people will keep on watching those even if I stop making videos here. So yes, I continue to make videos so that I can make more and more money in the future, but there is a significant amount of passive income that the YouTube channel generates. The second way you can earn passive income is with a membership website. So this is a website that you create, that you put some sort of content on, that in order to access the content, people have to subscribe to the website. Now, oftentimes there's some content that people can access for free to give them a taste of what is available, but in order to get all the content or to get the premium content, they need to pay a monthly membership fee. Now, depending on what your membership site is about and what it offers to its members and how premium the content is, you'll be able to charge different amounts. The cheapest membership sites typically cost about $5 a month, and the most expensive ones cost a few $100s a month. So if you were running a pretty simple membership site that didn't offer very much to its users, then you might charge your users $10 per month, in which case you would need 100 users in order to make $1,000, or you might have a more premium site and charge your members $100 a month, in which case you'd only need 10 members in order to make $1,000 per month. One fantastic thing about a membership site is that it does create that recurring revenue month after month, and you don't have to necessarily do anything to maintain it. Now, many of the best membership sites do continue to add new content every single month, but it just depends on how you structure your site and whether you create all that content in one batch before you launch the site, or whether you're choosing to create it every single month. My third passive income idea is to write a book. Now, a few months ago, I made a video called The Best Way to Make Passive Income, and I broke down several different ways that I make passive income and why some of them are better than others and why some of them make me more money than others. And you'll know that a book isn't my favorite way to make passive income, but that doesn't mean that it's a bad way to make passive income. You still can make plenty of passive income, and writing a book can help you reach plenty of other goals as well and help you advance your career. Now, generally, when people write and publish a book, they'll earn royalties of around $5 per copy that is sold. So if you did earn that average amount of $5 per copy, you would need to sell 200 copies of your book per month in order to make $1,000 of passive income. Another way that you can create passive income is by creating a lead generation website for a service business. Now, what exactly does that mean? Well, it means you would work with another business that was offering some sort of service or perhaps even a premium product to their customers. You would create a website of your own that is essentially an advertisement for that that website. It probably offers prospective customers some free resource or a free consultation call, and you drive traffic to that website so that you can get leads for the company that you're working with, and then that company pays you for these leads. In order to do this successfully, you will need to have a working knowledge of digital marketing so that you know how to drive the right traffic to the website and how to turn that traffic into leads for the company that you're working with. Depending on the industry, the quality of the leads, and how much money the product that the company that you're working with sells their product for, you'll be able to charge different amounts for the leads. On the low end of average, if your leads are decent quality, you could charge about $5 per lead. And so in order to generate $1,000 per month of passive income, you would need to generate 200 leads. Another way that you can earn passive income every month is with the Amazon Affiliates program. Now, I'm sure that you know what Amazon.com is, and you probably shop on it on a regular basis, and I can assume that because millions and millions of people do. Well, you can actually get a little cut of Amazon's profits if you do a good job recommending their products to people who want to buy them. Signing up for the Amazon affiliate program is really simple. And once you sign up for it, you'll be able to share your affiliate links with people who you think might want to buy certain products. And for every product that those customers purchase, you'll earn somewhere between 4 and 8% of the sale price. The more products that your prospects buy on Amazon, the higher that affiliate commission is. And even more than that, if someone clicks on your link, but they don't buy the product you recommend right then, but anytime in the next 24 hours they go back to Amazon and they buy anything, you will still get paid an affiliate commission for those products, even if they weren't things that you recommended. The next way that you could earn passive income is also with affiliate marketing, but it's using a different strategy. Instead of making small commissions on lots of different products that you're recommending, you choose just one product that is most likely a digital product, perhaps a course or a software that another company is selling, and you focus on marketing just that one product. You might even start a YouTube channel on that topic, start building an email list, promote it on Instagram, but you're actually going to be building a community and an audience all based around that one topic so that you can sell this one specific product. Now, with digital products, such as software, such as courses, affiliates typically earn around 50% of the sales price of the product. And what that means is that your commissions can be way higher. Now, if we were to use an average commission rate of perhaps $50, so we're assuming that you're selling a $100 product, you're earning $50, you only need to generate 20 sales per month. And this can be done relatively easily if you build an audience to some extent or you're running paid traffic into a sales funnel. And I know that that might sound complicated, but it's not that complicated. It's a relatively easy way to earn about $1,000 or more per month. The next way you can earn passive income every month is by creating an online course. You can take this course and either sell it on your own website, to which you'd have to drive traffic in order to generate sales, or you can sell it on a website like Udemy that provides a platform that kind of comes with built-in customers. Now, when you sell the course on your own site, you can charge much higher prices, typically anywhere between about $100 and $5,000. Now, of course, that all depends on what your course is about, what value it gives to the students, and how well you market it. On the other hand, if you sell your course on a platform like Udemy, the courses sell for a much lower price, typically somewhere between about $10 and $100. If you sell it on a site like Udemy, you earn an average of 50% of the sales price. However, different websites have different terms and policies about exactly what the commissions are. But if you earn that average of around 50% commission, then you'll be earning somewhere between $5 and $100 per sale. Now, let's say you were earning $10 per sale, which I think is pretty typical if you're selling on one of those sites. In that case, you would need to generate 100 sales per month in order to hit that $1,000 mark. Now, the type of marketing that you need to do for a course on Udemy versus a course on your own site is very different. On Udemy, you're basically working on SEO, search engine optimization, inside of Udemy. So you need to give away some copies of your course, you need to get the reviews on your course, you need to get your course to rank well on Udemy for a keyword that people are actually looking for. On the other hand, if you're selling a course on your own website, like I said, you can charge anywhere between around $100 and $5,000, and of course, you're keeping 100% of it. However, the big challenge there is just getting traffic onto your website in the first place. And that might involve taking more time to build up your audience, or paying for advertising, or working with joint venture partners. Another great way to earn passive income is to invest in real estate, and specifically rental real estate if you want to be generating passive income every single month. Now, I've owned a few rental properties in the past, and at least in the area where I live, it's pretty typical to earn an average of around $250 of profit per unit that you own. Now, of course, there's plenty of things that can throw off that average, but if you did make that average amount, then you would need to own 4 rental investment properties in order to be able to make $1,000 of passive income every month. Now, at first glance, it might look like any of these other options are better than investing in rental real estate because the risk to reward ratio is a bit skewed compared to those other opportunities. Because of course, there are risks associated with investing in real estate, and if you're only making $250 per month, then you might wonder if it's really worth it. Fortunately though, you are getting some bonus benefits such as building equity in a property that might be appreciating in value at the same time. The final option that I'll share with you in this video for making passive income is renting out a room in your house. You can do this on a website like Airbnb, amongst others. And when you do this, you can rent your room out for anywhere between about $25 a night and $200 per night, depending on the location where you live. If you rented a room out for an average of, say, $50 a night, then you would need to rent it out for 20 nights of the month in order to make that $1,000. So yes, you would need to have your room rented for most of the month if it was only going for $50 a night and you wanted to earn $1,000, but this is still a good opportunity if you happen to have some extra space in your house that you're not using or that you don't need. Have you ever made passive income before? If so, leave me a comment below and share with me how you made passive income. And if you haven't already, then tell me which of these opportunities you're most interested in trying out for yourself. Now, before you go, I want to share one more thing with you, and that is that I've put together a free guide on how to make passive income by running an information business. And if you don't know what an information business is, let me just take a quick minute to tell you. Basically, it's a business, typically an online business, where you sell some sort of information. So it might be a YouTube channel or a blog, a business where you sell an online course, or you have a paid membership program. But basically, you're creating some sort of content and then you're selling it. And this is one of my favorite ways to make passive income for 3 reasons. First of all, the risk is super low. You don't have to invest very much money or even time upfront to get it off the ground. The second reason I'm a big proponent of information businesses is because they're really fun to run. You get to create content on a topic that you're interested in, perhaps research something that you want to learn about anyway, and share it with others, so it makes you feel really good. And yeah, it's fun because you get to focus on a topic that you're already interested in. And then the third reason is because it is so easy to scale. Once you create a product, you can sell it over and over and over again, which means that it's one of the most passive types of income that you can create. Like I said, I put together a guide for how to start your own information business. The guide is completely free, and there's a link in the description down below where you can download a copy of it for yourself. Okay, well, that's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I hope that you'll consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, because I make 2 videos every single week all about entrepreneurship, success, and personal development, and I would love to have you join me for the next one. So before you go, make sure you click that subscribe button down below. Okay, well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.